guy, one rope. You come around them, grab them, okay? And then get them like this and hold it, okay? You guys have to get out of the way.
Yeah.
Load him up. No top of you.
Oh, we are all. Damn, let's say give me a little slack here.
Hey, how you doing? You guys see how I popped him right up on the ice?
Yeah.
How'd you do it? Start on your back. Here, watch. So you come up like this, get him above you, come around him with a rope, and just grab him like this, okay? As he hits the edge of the ice, let go with your left hand, and roll him over like right. And then, you know, it works good in this situation because the ice is solid. You may just have to keep holding the way you're going. But if you don't have the noodle, those pool noodles are too big.
So just like this. I got Bidwell.
You just have to make sure it's coming. If you're shucking me, if you're
flip him on his back. Take your knee, shove it in his ass, get him on his back.
ooh.
Like this.
Brody in. There you go.